Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. My name is Ian. Today I'm reporting from one of our Boxborough showrooms where there are so many exciting cars like that 4,000 mile Porsche Cayman R up there, as well as this, I believe, 29,000 mile one owner Aston Martin DB7. But the subject of this video is this Harley-Davidson. This is a 2016 Harley-Davidson Softail Fat Boy Low, and it is an ABS model. And this bike we got from the original owner, a local customer. And it only has 4,000 miles on it, and we can tell it was so well taken care of, well stored, maintained, and gently ridden. We can tell by the remaining brake life and the tire condition. It was really gently ridden. Taking a look at the tire there, and all of the wearables are really consistent with a bike that's been treated this way. And there is, we did detail the bike. We did a light clean, a basic clean. You can see on some of the aluminum surfaces in the certain lighting, there's a little bit of light, maybe corrosion or pitting, but we can leave that up to the next owner if they'd like to polish that. This is really just cleaned as we received it, and we've left that, I guess, detailing project up to the next owner. But even without that, it looks astonishing. It's so clean, and you really have to get up close and get to the right angle to find some of those light spots on the rims. But the engine cover here, this side case cover, looks great, as well as the chrome on the shifter here. And this bike has some nice accessories on it as well. Down here, we've got the Harley-Davidson mustache engine guard. So that's nice to have if the bike did, tip over, unfortunately, or to put your feet up on the highway. And we can see the edges of these. They're not scuffed or anything, in my professional opinion. I don't think this bike has ever been on its side. The sides of the footboards there and the engine guards are very clean with no major scuffing or anything like that. Same thing with the polished aluminum or brushed aluminum on the side of the engine, going to these aluminum pipes, aluminum colored pipes back here. And getting back to those accessories, it has quite a few. Back here, it's got the Harley-Davidson side bag, backrest, and rack system. So this rack on the back and the backrest is a genuine Harley-Davidson accessory, as well as these side bags. And these operate very smoothly. Plenty of storage there, as we can see. And I believe they are pretty quick to remove as well if you wanted to run without the side bags for the certain ride. Let's take a look back here. You can see the belt drive, some of the rear rim condition, back of the frame, and there's the tire there. And you can see by the wear of the tire, you can see this line. This bike really wasn't leaned over too far. It was ridden very gently, as I mentioned. It does have a Mustang wide studded touring seat set on this. So you can see the manufacturer logo there on the seat, and that studded look on the sides, all very nice. Tank condition is great. A little dusty from being in the showroom for a couple days here since we cleaned it. Sometimes the big garage bays get opened up here, and then some of the pollen will blow in. And I'm doing the video in here because it has been raining out, it's wet out, and it's getting a little dark out there. This does have some accessories included that are not on the bike, like this Harley-Davidson king-size detachable windshield. I believe this is also a quick release item. There are pictures of this as well as the other accessories on the online listing on alphacars.com. So definitely check that out. But as showing you in the video, the windscreen is in really nice condition. And there are some other really nice items included with this bike, like a bike cover, even a genuine helmet with a Bluetooth communication. Also, a Screamin' Eagle Pro Street tuner is included as well, but check out the listing. You can view the pictures there. We can put on the ignition and see right there, 4,096 miles at the date of the video. And we've got our fuel gauge there. All the controls look great. There's no really notable wear or pitting or corrosion on these chrome bars. And it does have a couple of USB plugs as well. They have little dust covers, which are these little things right here that you can plug in and remove. So that's handy as well. And also note the forks. There's no corrosion or anything or pitting on the forks. They are in excellent condition, as well as the front fender. There's no like rock chips or anything like that. The whole front of the bike is just very, very clean. And as I mentioned, the only little bit of maybe corrosion or pitting or discoloration is just in some of the dish of the rim here, but I think a polish would bring that back to almost new condition if you use the correct methods there.
Hey, welcome back to AlphaCars. My name is Dimitri. Ian is running the camera. He did a great job on talking about this bike and showing it. We're just going to take it around the parking lot for a nice short demo ride. Yeah, very stable. You can go very, very slow, and this bike is very easy to maneuver. Yeah, actually very, very easy. Seat is very comfortable. Clutch is very nice and smooth. And we're gonna take it to a straightaway over here. It's gonna go down that way. Nice brakes, front brakes, back brakes, nice and smooth, excellent response, awesome acceleration. Yeah, very easy to maneuver the bike. And we can do it all day long. We love bikes here, we love cars here, we love our customers here. So check out more videos, check out AlphaCars online on alphacars.com. And we thank you for watching this video. Please let us know which videos you like the best by clicking that like button. My name is Dimitri, I'm here with Ian, and until next time.